Welcome to Kelo TV, where I'm going to teach you how to build a game. And this particular game, I'm going to give you and show you the example of how it's running on our mobile device. And after all, you'll be able to monetize the app with AdMob. Okay, so here you can see this is the AdMob ads showing already on the app. So if I click play, this is the screen record of my phone, so which you can see in this game I added multi games in one app. So here this is the one you'll be popping each of the balloon, and here you can see these are all the list. So I want you to see other ones as well, so that is why I recorded different games in one app. So don't forget I can give you this code. The only thing you can do, you can see hub header, the logo, the color. You make sure you change all those things, and if there's any way you have other functionality to the app, that would be great, because I got the real things, the real facts. It's not good you copy any of someone's code and you go ahead and use. That is why sometimes you see hardmob deny monetization for some of the app, depending of different reasons. So this is how it works. So you keep on, you play by popping, you see another hat pop up. So this is how it works, and these are all the games. So I have all the code, and I also going to take you, if you want you can as well do the same method I did. If you don't have the timing, I can give you the code as well. So we head to the ChatGPT where we created all the code. So here you can see I had it here. This is the first code it generated. I said please make this code with HTML and JavaScript and CSS, all the code in one file. So now this is the first it generated. So you have to keep on trying to see if the game is fine by you before you start designing with app creator 24. So this is the second one. If there's anything, I said yes because it was asking if we should add score count and sound effect as well, so which you can see the game will be playing. I think this code is for the first. You can see if the game is playing, you will be seeing the counting bar counting, you see the score, the timing. So that is how it works. You can take your time and design a game in a good way. So that is what you know so you go ahead and do all the changes, the background, anything you don't want, you talk to the AI and it will go ahead and do the same thing. Here I also said had multi balloon level and had a sound effect on popping using tiny embedded audio file, and it went ahead and do the same thing. So as I play, it shows the same thing. You can see the next, which I said yes. I take my time to design it this way. So you have to keep on asking AI to modify the the game for you. If you don't even have the idea, which the same ChatGPT can also give you the idea. If you don't know how to go about it, just ask that you want to create a game this way and how can you go about it. So these are all how I got those. Next, can you create for me with similar to Berlin game? So I think it went and said yes. So it's also give another fruit slice game, and which is this one from the video, the screenshot of my phone. That is this one slice. You can see it. The next one should be this slice. Okay, this is not the slice. So this is not the slice. Yes, this one. That's the slice, yes, the fruit slice. So this is how you go about all of this. As you can see, I have all this code designed by me. No one ever have this because it's not possible sometimes that you ask ChatGPT the way I ask. So that is why it may be different, because like the other one I first show you, you see the background blue. So if you don't, if you didn't ask for the blue, it will not give you blue. So even if you create the same thing, it will going to give you different color, different style. And this you can see, which I said yes, the third game, I say box match game, and which it went ahead and generate as well, which you can see the names. So the all this has been created, you see. I say yes, tap to the first bombs, and which you remember is also here. So I hope you understand. Now I will take you to where we're going to create the game with our code here by ChatGPT. So the next step, you go to App Creator 24, where I guide you as well. So here you click on sign up, and here you're good to go. So you can see, you go, you create your account here. You put in your name, your country, your email ID, your password, and accept terms of service. And if you don't want to use your email directly, you can use your Gmail account by coming in, sign in here. After logging in successfully, you will land to this page where you'll be able to see a create app button. You click on create, and you put in the name, the description, and the logo, and you click next. And so once you go, you're going to also go to the save and next, and you're going to head up to here. So what you do here is to go to the section where we're going to add all the code, each of the names ChatGPT generated for us. Okay, example, you can see from this heading. Okay, it's tap to the fish bomb. Okay, so I I put the same name. Okay, which you can see it here. Yes, is here, this one. So that is how you had all this. So if you let me open it, so this is the code, and I put in the name of the section here. So that is where I was able to get different games here by the side. If you click this dot icon behind by the before the logo, so once you click here, you see all the list of the games. Yes, here you can see. So that is how it works. So from here, so as you can see, these are all the list of the games. So after being done by creating each of the section and putting the name and adding each of the code, you can see adding all the code. With this particular one, I just pick on, okay, yes, randomly. I just pick on the upgrade to 24, but the rest all are code. You can see, you can see all are code. You can see I pasted all my code. So that is how it works. So the next section, the next level we are going, okay, I have not show you here. This is where you can design the game. If I give you the code, that is if you need, this is where you come, you check, and here you give me the any color. That is why if you see here, you see the heading, the background also coming up with this color, because I selected this. So this is where you do changes of all the colors, the font, the sound, the menu, the button, everything, top bar, everything can be configured here. So after this, now we move on to monetization section, where you're going to go to AdMob. For some of you who don't know that AdMob is a good platform for earnings, for app earnings. Here I take you through where you will see the how it works. Here you go to region, and you select if you're from South America or if you are from Europe. So here you select which arrow, Here we're going to see, so your app is for what, the types of your app. So this is where we pick is going to calculate how people earns money on this. Okay, yes, this game. So here we click calculate, and it's going to calculate this for us. So as you're seeing, with 5,000 active users, you're going to get $696. Okay, yeah, if we still go, if you see, okay, let me say 50, okay, 156, you're going to get $2,121. So that is how it works. If you keep on, if you have 1 million active users or 667 active users, you're going to get 9,596. So this is how it works. So here you're going to create an account. If you create an account here, you're going to create an app where it's going to ask you to add your app on the platform. So once you've done that, because I've shown you several videos, check on my channel or any other people's channel where you're going to see how to get the code. Here you go on the general section option. Here you go to name an icon. Here you go, and this is where you put your app ID. So that is how it works. You click save once you have the app ID. So you click save, then you move on to add. This is where you're going to add all your hard unit ID, not app ID. Here you're going to add unit ID. So here you create for the banner and you add the code here. You create this one as well. You add the code here as well. You had the code, and last one, rewarded video ad as well, you had, and you click save. Once you're done with this, your app is ready, your monetization is ready. You click on download button. Here you're going to see your game is ready to download. You download this and you upload it into any supported app store. You're good to go. You wait while the app store approve your app to be live on the app store, and then you wait as well. AdMob is going to confirm your your linking of the app with App Store, and it's going to activate as well, approve your app. By then you will start seeing the hearts in your app, and that is how it works. So once it's activated, don't use you don't be playing your game because you want to make money. Always make sure you publish and you have real active users. So thank you so much into today's video. If you like this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, don't be shy to leave it down. I will be ready to answer you. If it's all about the AdMob or the app creator or the ChatGPT, just feel free, tell me where you're facing issues, so I will be here to guide you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.